Okay, guys, I'm going to go to market soon on USDJPY. And I've done it because I noticed in the Discord they were talking about it, but I also flagged it in my news announcement that I did this morning. Now, everybody that's in the squad gets to see those videos each morning, sort of thing. But let me just flick this over and I'll kind of show you, and then when the trade presents itself, I'll show you that as well. Now, when we're working, I start in here most mornings. This is just a closed group for people that I want to connect with. It's not part of any memberships, although you do need to have been through the modules, etc., to get in it via invite only. Now, as we look, so we have a little bit of a chat here. Yes, I have a terrible taste in music, and no, I don't like trading view. Okay, I just can't get away with it. But why I'm doing the USDJPY is because of Nav. He was looking for some advice this morning. The guys chipped in. This is why I love this group, because they genuinely help. And the good thing is we all on the same hymn sheet. You know, we talk the same types of trade, so there's no room for sort of signal sellers or anything like that in here. It's quite safe. Now, they've had a look, so I've stuck my 2 penneth in. So I started off with euro dollar, which is here. That's complete. Just kind of flick that over and you should be able to sort of see it. So if I pull that down, so I've already been into that on the other account and done like 50 quid. I'll touch on that in the video actually, about farming things and doing one at a time. And then as we come down, I'm now onto the USDJPY. Again, full breakdown of what it is that I'm doing. I drop it into the updates. Now again, you'll see the morning strength, which is here if you haven't seen the video, or if you want to watch the video, I'll talk it through. I do that each morning before 9 o'clock, and I try and get it out before 8 o'clock. I then show them what it is that I'm up to. So I've already done the Bitcoin, did the Euro, that completed here, and now we're on to here. So we're looking at buys on the USDJPY, and I'm looking for 7 pips, and it's okay, and it's ready to go this hour. So that's kind of what the Discord is and what I'm doing. But I suppose what you're interested in is, how do I trade this thing in the first place? Well, it's not difficult. I start on an hourly screen. You know, just lift that out. And what I can see, I get all the key levels in. The levels are the secret sauce to everything I do. I've got to have a coffee, guys, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. Got one there, and then I've got another one to take its place, because I kind of drink this up via an intravenous drip at times. I start here. I can see it's bouncing off a key level. I've got loads of room up to the next stall point. So I need to know roughly what the expansions are. So the next thing I need to do is look for the last strong drive that it's had in the direction of trend. Well, the direction of trend is up. Last strong drive was there to there. So what I can do now is I can put some points of attraction on to see how far this market might push into, which would be about there. Right. So I've now got a little bit of a boundary, which is here. Okay. Which is there. All right. Now I know it's looking for 7. They're the next 2 key points on the market. I can look up 1. Yeah, quite happy with that push. Could even use that fully. But we're going to use what's going on at the moment because it's across here. And we're going to target into these things. Now I'm going to take it down into 5 minutes for just now. It's starting to show signs. Measuring tool. 7 pips. Right, I can get it before there. So I'm ready to put an order in right now. Okay, so get an order in. Put a 5er into it. Let me just switch that on. It's a 7 pip trade, might be bigger, but and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the cluster here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There seem to be 3 candles clustering along that point, so I want to take it into there, and then there you go. All I've got to do is break the top of that range, and I've got the 7 pips that I'm after for this sort of next hour or so. Okay, if I'm wrong, I've got a protection point here, and then if I open it up a little bit further, right, it's gone into market. 1, 2, wrong. That's the way I look at it. So we're now just going to trade that up into here. With luck, it'll not take too long, but you never know with trading. You just take the best option you've got. So what we'll do is we'll play it out, and then I'll come back and I'll explain a little bit about managing accounts. Okay, catch you in a bit. Okay, boys and girls, that's that job complete. It's taken longer than I thought, to be honest. Just a minute with me, because I was knackered. I've been up and down the stairs. I was busting for the loo. And,
I'm sure we need to know that.
well,
We don't.
well, we need to know that Scruffy likes a coffee, because he does. Yes, it took longer, but the principle never changed. The levels, as you can see, are absolutely bob on. Ended up getting a couple of positions in rather than just the one, and this is what makes this job wonderful. Let me kind of just flick through. Yes, I did take my tickets off, and yes, Jay, I'll be with you in half an hour, kid. Got a meeting at 2 o'clock. There you go. that was the premise of the trade. Okay. Now, it's done what I wanted. The problem is this bit here. Okay. Because that bit, it took ages. It just chugged along all the way through, 3 hours for it to pop. But that's where patience comes in and sticking to your nerve. But it also illustrates that this job is not quick. If you've got a solid trade idea, just one, and you look to play it till completion, you're fine. If you're looking to be in and out the markets, in and out, in and out, in and out, it rarely ends well. Sounds great, and you think you're going to make a load of money, but you're not. And that's why the little challenges I do and the small accounts and farming things all build up into a good sized pot. I don't know why, because I might earn a good sized pot, but you don't. Turn me back for a second. Look.
No, it's like...
She's now... It isn't flat.
I'm not buying it. I just didn't
Oh, it just happens to be fully in clears.
Because I didn't understand what it was.
67 quid for a fucking teddy.
No, that's two. It's 39 for one, or you get a discount if you buy two.
Turn that screen round a second.
It's
Show the boy.
It's stuff, Fred.
I don't give a toss.
You should get one.
No. Just turn that screen round and
It
show the boys and get.
Stress and anxiety.
Well, it's not doing a good job, is it? I'll do it myself. Chat. Look at it. Oh, it's stuck to that.
Yeah,
shit. All right. It's a panda. Right?
Really?
A panda. Who
it.
cares about a bloody panda? I don't care about. Let's be honest. Pandas don't care about a panda. That's why they're drying out. I mean, a panda won't fuck a panda. I mean,
a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Koala? Oh, you could get a sloth.
Jesus Christ. The next time I do a walk around our house, I'll show you some of the stupid things that she buys. We don't have proper doorstops. Oh, no. We can't have them. We have these big weighted teddies that when you go to kick them out the way, they break your toe.
Well, you shouldn't be kicking it.
Well, it shouldn't be in the fucking way.
Well, it's not. It's keeping the door open.
All right, okay. Anyway, I forgot what I was talking about. What was I talking about?
Teddy bear. Jay, you doing a talk with Jay or something?
Oh, I've got a meeting with Jay. Yeah, I'll have to prepare for that in a minute. Teddy bears. What we're talking about? Oh no, it's you and your fucking 30. It's £39, or you can have two for 67. That's a panda. God Almighty. Right.
40% off.
Well, that doesn't make it any better. It's still bloody 40 quid for a teddy bear.
I'm not getting. I'm just looking.
No, you should be working. Earn this living. That mythical thing that you think happens.
I worked all morning.
You haven't been in all morning.
I have. I was up at 6.
You made me a coffee, and then you buggered off.
You
right.
just take no notice.
You're right. Right. So, as I was saying, little pots. Sorry about that little interlude, boys and girls. But when she's sitting up here, she I can't believe she's buying another one.
I'm not buying it. I'm just looking. It's for adults anyway, not children.
Just get yourself back onto the business suite and sort of do the social media things.
That's what I've been doing.
No, you're not.
I was.
Lying bitch. Right. Little pots. There's a video that I did a while ago about farming. And it is an incredibly important video. It's about 30 minutes long. It's longer than sort of normal. But I go through what farming is. And farming is methodically working your way through the charts. And if you methodically work your way through the charts, you reap the rewards. And what you do is you take the profit out of one, split it, buy a prop fund for argument's sake. Now you've got two accounts running and you've been paid because you split it in half. And you can put that over in a slush fund. This is how you make money on the long term. It's not about quick hits, holding money in a broker, because personally I think that's stupid. Keep it in a bank account. Only keep in the broker enough to service the trade. Why? Because one, you won't use it if it goes wrong. And two, it's not money till it's actually realised in a bank account. It's kind of why I show you my slush fund, because that's my trading account. And then you can see it. Anyway, so I did this one just to follow up what the guys were talking about this morning. And I do that. My wage is done for the year, so I'm coasting through till the 1st of January now. And I've got plenty of time that I can do these little things for them, because I want to spend a lot of time with them and get them to where they need to be. Because next year is going to be a big year. And we're planning it right now. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love. And the money will follow. See you all in the next one.